This is the Amika Soulfood Nourishing Mask. It is a hair mask made by the brand Amika. This is the 8 fluid ounce container, but they come in different sizes. It is really great for hair that maybe has a lot of dead ends, maybe has been bleached and has bleach damage, or is just dry. It is a very nourishing mask that you put on your hair after you shampoo it in the shower. You let it sit there for about 5 to 7 minutes and then you rinse it out, and it leaves it so hydrated, so soft, and then you just get out of the shower and blow dry it or use detangler, whatever you want to do as normal. This is what it looks like inside. It's kind of like a butter material. You don't need that much, like maybe about a quarter or two, that's it. And you just rub it in your palm and then put it on the ends of your hair and then work it all the way up to the roots while you're in the shower. I really like it. I feel like I've noticed a difference in my hair since using it, especially since I do bleach my hair, so I would highly recommend this product.